Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 7th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock. We are going to analyze Palantir stock from a technical perspective. So we are going to look at the stock prices in the past and today and within the last hours and everything so that we can find patterns to try and profit from those patterns. But I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, make your own decisions. I'm just doing this for fun, and I'm just sharing what I see with you guys in hope it's going to help you. You can decide, oh yeah, if I do everything opposite to what this guy does, I make money. So hey, if it works, that's fine. There was a Seinfeld episode about that or something like that. Okay, so Palantir closed at 24.46. Up 43 cents, up 179. Post market seems to be down 3 cents. So you remember this? I did not touch anything. Like the magician that shows you, that is showing you nothing in my sleeves. Yeah, so we've had this uptrend since the bottom on May 11th. And we have been how can I put it? We have been stopped or paused by this resistance at 24. How come I did not write it down? I'm so disappointed in myself. So disappointed. Please don't thumb me down. Please don't. So, yeah, I'm in a good mood today. I don't know why. So 24.50. Okay, I had put it down. So we have a resistance at 24.50, and that resistance was in play on April 27th, was in play April 1st. It was not a joke. Became support, blah, blah, blah. So it's there. It's there, and it's been postponing our ascent. So look at this. Look at this. Let me just draw something quick here. We are making higher lows. I like to see that. We are making higher lows, and we are basically capped on top. Higher lows and capped. So basically we are in an ascending triangle. Ascending triangle tend to say that the stock will break the resistance. This is the theory. Will it happen? We'll see. But basically look at this perfection. So the candle today is right smack on 24.50, the body of the candle, just like it was on June 2nd. You know how I love to see this. This just proves that technical analysis is not a joke. You know, the stock is really obeying some patterns, and sometimes the pattern is say, well, you stop here, and sometimes the pattern say, you don't go lower than this, or lower than this, or higher than this, or higher than this. So these patterns reproduce themselves over and over and over and over. And I find joy in that. Let me go to the 1 hour chart briefly, just to see if we have something different. So remember, a couple of days ago, we had this resistance, decreasing resistance, and then the stock went through, poof. And what did happen after that? Went up, just did a little bit of a pull back, then went up, a little pull back, and this is how stocks move. They go up, they go down, they go up, they go down, they go up, they go down, and what we need to do is find where they make bottoms and where they make tops and draw lines, and then magic happens. So basically nothing special today. We had a green hour. The first hour of the day, the candle was pretty big, pretty green, with a nice wick at the bottom indicating that people are pushing the stock up. Then then look at this. We broke outside of 24.50 during the day, but then during that hour, the second hour, we were pushed back down. Then the third hour, no, we broke outside of it. And then we stayed outside of it, even though it's a red candle. Then we stayed above 24.50. just to come down here a little bit. And we came down during the last hour, but then finished back up to 24.46. So because of these wicks here, this one, this one, this one, we see that these are bottoms, and the bottoms are pretty strong in terms of wicks. You know, we have some wicks at the bottom. So so I think I might be totally wrong. Speculation time. But I think there's a good chance that we break 24.50 tomorrow for good, or for a while. Let's go back to the daily chart to look at our indicators. So stochastic is super high at 95. Very, very bullish stochastic. MACD very bullish too, because we crossed over a long time ago. But what is also of note is that the two lines are above 0, so that's great, and the DMI is positive. So spread your wings, Palantir, break 24.50 so that we can have a nice swing that makes us a lot of money. This is my wish for me and for you. So thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Please subscribe. I produce a video every single day about Palantir and Tesla. Like if you like. Comment, because I read all of your comments and I really enjoy reading your comments. We have a Discord server, and we have a Patreon account, and we have an affiliate link in the description below where you can get $30, up to $30 off of a paid TradingView subscription, and TradingView is the tool that I am using. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.